Hello and welcome. Today, we are diving into the world of web development to explore the top 5 web frameworks that are currently shaping modern applications. These frameworks provide developers with powerful tools and structures to build everything from simple websites to complex web applications. Let's get started with leading web development frameworks for modern development. At number 1, we have React. React is a component-based user interface library developed and maintained by Meta, previously known as Facebook. One of React's key features is its use of a virtual document object model, often called the virtual DOM, which enhances performance by minimizing direct manipulations to the actual DOM. React promotes component reusability, allowing developers to create modular and maintainable code. It also has a large ecosystem and community support with many open-source libraries and tools. Coming in at number 2 is Vue.js, a progressive JavaScript framework known for its gentle learning curve. Vue.js uses a template-based syntax that is similar to HTML, making it easy for beginners to get started. The framework boasts excellent documentation and a vibrant community, and is also known for being flexible and lightweight, making it a great choice for projects of all sizes. A key feature of Vue is the single file component. At number 3, we have Angular. Angular is a full-featured TypeScript framework developed and maintained by Google. Angular is a complete model view controller framework offering a structured approach to web application development. It uses TypeScript by default, adding type safety and advanced features to your code. Angular provides enterprise-grade features, making it suitable for large and complex applications. Angular makes use of components. Our number 4 framework is Next.js. Next.js is a React production framework that enables features like server-side rendering and static site generation. Server-side rendering improves performance in search engine optimization, or SEO, by rendering pages on the server before sending them to the client. Next.js offers built-in optimization such as image optimization and code splitting, resulting in faster load times and a better user experience. It also has the versatile ecosystem. And finally, at number 5, we have Svelte. Svelte is a compile-time framework that differs from traditional frameworks like React and Vue.js. Svelte does not use a virtual DOM. Instead, it compiles your code to highly efficient JavaScript that directly updates the DOM, resulting in smaller bundle sizes and better performance. Svelte features built-in state management, simplifying the process of handling application data. Svelte optimizes during compilation, leading to faster and more efficient code. Let's compare each of the frameworks. React has a moderate learning curve and medium bundle size. Vue.js has an easy learning curve and a small bundle size. Angular has a steep learning curve and a large bundle size. Next.js has a moderate learning curve and optimized bundle size, and Svelte has an easy learning curve and the smallest bundle size. In conclusion, selecting the right web framework depends on various factors. Consider the specific requirements of your project, the expertise of your team, and the long-term maintainability of your application. Each framework excels in different scenarios, so take the time to evaluate your options carefully. Now, go build amazing web applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.